Hello, friends. Okay, so sometimes I get pushback when I do videos and offer tips where I am pointing out how other folks are doing things wrong. But last night, I was watching an ad that was basically a tutorial from a beauty company showing a woman over 50 applying her makeup, and I was like, nope, no, nope, you gotta stop doing that. Nope, no. And I censor myself because everybody wants to be like, no, just let's love everybody for how they do things, and there's no right or wrong, it's just how they want to do it. In the core of my being, I disagree with that. And so let's talk about blush for a moment. And hello to those of you who are joining me live. Hello, I see some familiar faces. Leave me a comment. I would love to know who's on and where you are from right now. But here's the thing. Among the many things that were misguided in that video, blush. I gotta talk about blush. I've talked about it before. I'm gonna keep saying it probably until I'm blue in the face. And also, I just finished a makeup lesson, so I've got my lights up, as you can see in my little home studio here, and that's why it's fresh on the brain, because I was teaching this. Oh, Nancy is saying 80s blush, go. Yes, if you want to do 80s blush, good for you. If you want a face when you're over 40, over 50, that looks harmonious and soft and uplifted and vibrant and fresh, then you want to go with how I'm going to tell you how to do blush right now versus how everybody else tells you to do it. The 20-somethings and even the 50-plus somethings and even the cosmetics companies are telling you wrong, in my opinion. And I've been doing this a long time on hundreds and thousands of people, virtually and in person, for over 20 years. So most people are taking their blush and they're going like this. And they're doing this. A lot of this happening. And you're like, but Kristen, that is how you do blush. No. Then I see people, and this was the video last night, and they're like, I'm putting it on the apples of my cheeks. These are the apples of my cheeks. And I was told, always put it on the apples. Stop it. No. I don't know. Some of you might not like how no I am in this video, but I have to say it. Stop, 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 stop. If you're putting too much blush right here, all that's happening is you're making yourself look really red and really ruddy, and you're concentrating the color to the center of your face. And when you're over 40, 50, when you concentrate color like that, a lot of times, because your skin is not as plump, bouncy, and smooth as it was in the 20s, which is not wrong, it is not bad, it is just the way that it is. Then when you're pulling things down, everything looks like it's drooping down. And it's calling attention to the parts of your face that aren't as pulled up, aren't as smooth. And again, not bad. It's just that if we're creating balance and harmony, which in my opinion, good makeup does, so that we can see your features and your beautiful eyes and your cheekbones and your lips in the most fresh and beautiful way, then what you want to do is pull your blush back further, like this much further. Not here, here. I know, it's revolutionary, but try it. So next time you get your blush, look for the corner of your eye, plop your blush brush right here, and put it here instead of here. Okay? So not the apple of the cheek, behind the apple of the cheek. And seriously, I want you to try it. Then leave me a comment below or send me a selfie or DM me and be like, this is what happened. Was it a success? I'm going to assume it was, but maybe it wasn't, because you might need a little more guidance on how to do that, and that's cool. And this brings me to another thing that I wanted to share that I'm teasing, because I've just been lightly teasing it, but you're going to see me tease it more and more. I want to help you get better at over 40 beauty. If you are over 40, if you're over 50, I have been for 3 years wanting to do this thing that I have had in my heart, and I'm finally doing it in 2021. I am launching a membership mentorship with me and all of my favorite experts. So accessible. Like, my makeup lessons are in the hundreds of dollars. They're about $400. to work one-on-one with me, I want to bring everybody into like a big hug and teach you the things that I know. Teach you the things that are going to make a difference. Teach you how to approach beauty in a way that you feel freaking good, because 2020 sucked. So I'm going to put a link in the comments below. And it's going to be the wait list for this. I'm not ready to show you details. I'm not ready to tell you anything more, but I'm going to guarantee you you're going to love them. Get on the wait list, because the people who are on the wait list are going to get the first details and the first crack at it. And I guarantee you getting the first crack at it is going to be major. So if you like this one little tip I just did for you on blush and you find it life-changing, all the other things that we're going to do together inside of this membership mentorship, that's what I'm calling it for right now. I don't know. When we do the founding members launch, January 2021, also my birthday, you're going to help design it with me, but I'm also going to just knock your socks off with all the things I've been holding back on. The skincare I've been using that I don't talk about publicly. The makeup that I don't talk about publicly, because I have reserved my energy for my private clients. Because I have reserved my energy for not kowtowing to brands, so that I'm giving you biased information like most of the other influencers out there who rely on exclusively sponsorship and affiliate links, who are always like, buy more shit, buy more shit. I know I just swore. I swear in my normal life, don't you too? This isn't about consuming more. This is about learning how better. This is about unpacking all that confusion. The beauty companies want you to be confused. A lot of them do, not all of them. The unethical ones want you to be confused and living in fear and hating yourself, because that makes them more money. And what I want to do is show you how to use what you've got, like what mama gave you too, and make the most of it and use it correctly, because I don't care if you have the most expensive cream in the world. It is not going to do anything for you if you don't use it right. Okay, so check out the link in the comments below. I'm going to put it in as soon as I finish my live here. I hope that tip was helpful. Get on the wait list, because it's coming and it's going